Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is symmetrical shapes, which is very interesting and easy topic. You can score good marks in this topic. So let's start. First, let's read its definitions. A shape is symmetrical if it is divided into two equal halves or parts and both the parts or halves match each other. Okay, so what is the meaning of these definitions? When a shape is divided into two equal halves and both the halves are same in size and shape, that shape we can say that symmetrical shape. Okay, when we divide a shape into two equal parts and both the parts are same size and same shape, you can say that both halves exactly match each other. Then we can say that this shape is symmetrical shape. Let's take an example. This is a rectangle. Okay, now let's find is it symmetrical shape or not. Okay, first what its definition say? Its definition say that when we divide the figure into two equal parts and both parts are same in size, then we can say that this is a symmetrical shape. So let's check. When we divide this rectangle, this line divide this rectangle into two equal halves, one and second, two equal halves. So can you see it? Both the halves are equal in shape and size. You can say that both the halves exactly match each other. Okay, can you see it? So we can say that rectangle is a symmetrical shape. Okay, so let's look at there. When this is also rectangle, when we take a horizontal line. Okay, in the previous example we take a horizontal line, now we take a vertical line, and now we take a horizontal line. So let's look at there. These vertical lines divide the rectangle into two equal halves and both the halves are same size and same shape. You can say that both the halves exactly match each other. Okay, so we can say that this rectangle is a symmetrical shape. Okay, can you have you understood? So this is a symmetrical shape. Both are rectangle, and when a vertical line divide the rectangle into two equal parts and same size and same shape, so we can say that this is a symmetrical shape. And when this horizontal line divide the rectangle into two equal halves and both the halves exactly match each other, so we can say that this is also symmetrical shape. Okay, so next topic is line of symmetry. Okay, what is a line of symmetry? First let's read its definition. A line that divide the figure into two equal halves and both the halves match each other is called the line of symmetry. So when a line divide into a figure into two equal halves and both the halves are exactly match each other, then we say that that line is called the line of symmetry. Okay, can you see it? This is a line of symmetry and this is also line of symmetry. Okay, it's very simple. A line which divide the figure into two equal halves and both halves are exactly match each other, then that line is called the line of symmetry. Okay, now let's move on. Types of line of symmetry. How many types of line of symmetry? Okay, there are three types of line of symmetry. First is vertical line of symmetry, second is horizontal line of symmetry, and third is diagonal line of symmetry. So let's take first a vertical line of symmetry. So it's very simple. A vertical line that divides the figure into two equal halves, that line is called a vertical line. Okay. Or horizontal line, what is a horizontal line? A horizontal line that divides the figure into two equal halves and both the halves are exactly match each other is called a horizontal line. And what is a diagonal line? A diagonal line that divides the figure into two equal halves and both the halves are same size and same shape, that line is called diagonal line of symmetry. Okay, let's see its example. So this is a vertical line of symmetry. Okay, this is a shape, this is a square shape. So this is a vertical line. This vertical line divide the square into two equal halves and both the halves are exactly each other, match each other. So that line is vertical line is called vertical line of symmetry. Okay, now horizontal line of symmetry. This is the horizontal line which divide the figure into two equal halves. Okay, and what is a diagonal? A diagonal line that divide the figure into two equal halves, both halves are exactly match each other. I hope you understood. So let's understand it with the help of with the practical example. Okay, so let's see. So this is a paper sheet which is in square shape. Okay, so now let's find, is it symmetrical shape or not? Okay, first what you have to do, fold it into two equal halves. So now fold it vertically folded. Can you see it? I have folded it into two equal halves in vertically. When I open it, can you see it? This is a vertical line of symmetry. Okay, this is, and this and this, these are the two halves, and can you see it? Both the halves are exactly match each other. This one, this half and this half, both are exactly match each other. When a vertical line divide this figure, so we can say that this is a vertical line of symmetry. Okay, now let's see horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, now fold this square sheet into in horizontally. Okay, like this. Okay, now I have folded it into two equal halves in horizontally. Now look at this. This is a horizontal line of symmetry, and this also divide into two equal halves which are exactly match each other. Okay, so this is a horizontal line of symmetry and this is a vertical line of symmetry. Okay, now let's see third diagonal line of symmetry. Now fold it square into two equal halves in diagonally. Now fold it in diagonally. Can you see it? Now I have folded it in diagonally. Can you see it? This is diagonal line of symmetry. Okay, and both the halves are exactly match each other. So this is a line of symmetry, or a diagonal line of symmetry. So what you have done is today. So today we have done symmetrical shape. Okay, what is a symmetrical shape? When a figure or shape is divided into two equal halves and both the halves are exactly match each other, or we can say that both the halves are same in size and same shape, then we call this, then we call it a symmetrical shape. ठीक, okay. Then after that we done line of symmetry. What is the line of symmetry? A line which divide the figure into two equal halves and both the halves exactly match each other is called a line of symmetry. And how many types of line of symmetry? 3: vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry, and diagonal line of symmetry. Okay, so that was a today topic. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, so please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.